In this video, I had the opportunity to talk with Emma, the product manager at MP Systems, about two coolant filtration systems that they're showcasing here at IMTS 2024. Let's get in there to learn more. Hello everyone, we are here at IMTS 2024 in the MP Systems booth. We're going to be talking with Emma, one of MP Systems product managers, about the Purge coolant filtration system. So Emma, I'm going to turn it over to you. Why don't you run us through this machine and some of its key features?
Definitely. So the Purge here is one of our newer filtration systems. So this is a 4-bag filtration system meant to target a little bit of like larger chips. So we can target anywhere from chips from 1/4 of an inch up to an inch. And we also have another Purge Pro that can handle material from 1/4 of an inch down. So this system is meant to keep the tank clean of debris. So when you see like chip dams, when you see the screens on chip dams kind of clog up with chips, this Purge is something that can fix that issue. It creates a backflow in the tank, so it pushes all of the coolant from the clean side to the dirty side, rather than having the pump suck up all that dirty coolant and pump it through the machine.
So Emma, one of the things that we had talked about before was emphasizing the importance of keeping your coolant clean and keeping the tank clean, but not a lot of people are talking about keeping the coolant clean itself. Why does MP Systems choose to really focus on that area?
Yeah, so keeping the coolant clean has a huge impact on machine life. When you're running clean coolant, then your machine's going to be happy. If you're running dirty coolant through that machine, it's being pumped through the tools, sprayed onto the part. It's almost like spraying a lapping compound onto the parts that you're trying to have a nice finish with. When you run clean coolant through the machine, you're not damaging way covers. You get extended life out of your tools. You'll see better part finish in general. And in general, your machine will last longer without having those critical components fail very quickly.
And this is your more job shop style coolant filtration system. And I know you mentioned earlier you had two different models. The difference is just chip sizes, or are there any other advantages from one versus the other?
The main difference is chip size. The Purge Pro, which can handle smaller chips, has a tighter knit pump so that it can push more pressure through, so that when the bag starts to fill up, it's still keeping it at 80 GPM. So you're not going to see a drop in flow rate when that bag starts to fill. The Purge SD, on the other hand, is designed for larger chips, so you don't need that extra pressure, so it has a little bit more of a heavier duty pump that can handle those larger chips.
Awesome, and I know we have another coolant filtration system over here, the CDR.
Yes.
Let's head over this way to talk about what you guys have going on over here and kind of the specialty around this machine and what you guys are able to do.
Yeah, so the CDR is a very cool advancement in filtration. So this is a 4-hydrocyclone cyclonic debris removal system. This is meant for heavy-duty automotive shops, people that are running lights out 24/7, who are just pumping out a lot of chips and a lot of sludge.
And so if a customer has an application where, let's say they are high production, they're running tougher materials to break down and filter through their system, what does MP Systems do to get involved in that project, and when should a customer call you to get involved in that project?
A customer should call us right away if they have a question about filtration, if they think that they're seeing issues in their tank or in their coolant. If the first visual that you see is, sludge building up in your tank. But on top of that, you'll see spindles wear out faster than they should, your tools will wear out faster. So if you're starting to see kind of those critical components start to fail quickly, might be a good indication to give us a call.
And what about any customer feedback on either of the machines that we talked about? How about, can you give us maybe a customer testimonial that someone has really seen a difference by adding one of your coolant filtration systems?
Definitely. So we have a lot of customers that when they add this filtration system onto their machine, they see an instant difference in the coolant itself. So almost like changing from, dirty, dark coolant to fresh, clean coolant just by using this filtration system.
Fantastic. Emma, thank you so much for being with us. And if any of our viewers or anyone here at the show wants to learn more about MP Systems and what you guys can offer, what website should they reach you at?
You can find us at mpsystems.net.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stop by the MP Systems booth here at IMTS 2024, and we'll see you next time.